Hey guys, this is my second video. Today I'm going to playing with my friend and I'm going to troll him. He doesn't hear me right now, so I'm starting the game. So I'm gonna troll him. Okay. Hey, Alex Pro, stay here. I'm going to get something. I'm gonna troll him. He doesn't hear me. I have muted the mic. Now I'm going to get the hacks. Now I'm getting the hacks, and he's about to get clipped. Oh. What? Okay. Now I'm building cones right here, like in my first video that I showed you, but now I'm gonna get the hacks and destroy him. Minigun, airstrikes. Okay. Now when he's going to think he's okay, I'm gonna clip him. Because this friend is better than me, and he always embarrasses me by clipping me. So now I'm gonna be showing him how it is to lose and to get destroyed. Okay. Wait, I'm opening mic in game. Hey Alex, let's 1v1. 3, 2. What do you want? Okay, pump. 3, 2, 1. Now he's getting destroyed. And he's not even knowing it. I'm breaking the walls one. He's about to get pickaxed. I just pickaxed him. Okay guys, that was my second ever video. Make sure to subscribe. My nickname is BirdieMar7. I hope you have a great day. Bye guys.